Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I am taking you on a night drive with this car, the new MG HS, and here we have the plug-in hybrid powertrain. So let's start on the front where you can see the new design language from MG with the large grille and lovely LEDs, very pronounced details here on the grille itself, and then the lights are connected, emphasizing the width of the car. Speaking about the length, 4 meters 67 is the length of the plug-in hybrid version. You can also see the special side skirts here on the plug-in hybrid. And let me show you the wheels. So we have the 19-inch wheels on this car. The dimension of the tires are here, 225/55 are 19. And now we move on to the rear of the car. I'm a big fan of those taillights. And here you can see the MG EHS, so HS plug-in hybrid model, or EHS. And yeah, tell me in the comments how do you like the exterior design. Let me open the trunk. So the tailgate opens by pressing the button on the key, and here, as you can see, loads of room. You also have the additional room down there for your cables. But now, without further ado, let's go on a night point of view test drive with this car. So this is the interior with the dual screen layout. Let me also show you first the seats. We have the luxury trim here, so you have two trims that are available, comfort or luxury, and this is the luxury model. So now let's see it from driver's perspective. Here is your layout as a driver. Start button is here, so let me push it and we are ready to go on a nice relaxed night drive. Here is the gear selector for the automatic transmission. Put it to drive and we are ready. So let's start with the specifications for the model in our video. So the plug-in hybrid model that combines 1.5 liter petrol unit, electric motor and generator, as well as the 21.4 kilowatt hour battery, giving this car an all-electric range of 103 kilometers by WLTP standard. So that is really impressive, and that means, you know, you can do a lot of journeys with just electric power, especially if you have a charger at your home or at work. Then really this is a wise choice. Combined system output is 272 horsepower. 6.8 seconds is the time to reach 100. So yeah, definitely some nice figures. Now there are also other options. I recently tested the petrol version, so you can watch that video on my channel. 1.5 liter petrol unit, and then there's also the hybrid plus, and I hope to test that one soon as well. So stay tuned for that video as well. That one has 224 horsepower of system output, and it's the self-charging hybrid, so you don't need to plug it in. And then you have, again, plug-in hybrid, hybrid or petrol. So tell me in the comments what would be your choice for the MG HS. And as you can see, this garage is pretty big. And soon we will go out and you will see how it looks during the night in this lovely model. And when I turn on the indicator, you see you have the camera view, so when you turn it on lower speeds, okay, we can go. And again, nice feature helping you with maneuvering, and the drive is so smooth. The layout here in front of us, 12.3 inch digital cockpit and the 12.3 inch main touchscreen. You can also change the views on the digital cockpit. Let me show you how that looks. So if we go here to vehicle, and here you have cluster, now you have map view, for example, which is very cool in my opinion. Intelligent drive, and now you saw please focus on driving, and we will now turn that off. Okay, and also you heard the speed warning, so the beeping sound, and that one is mandatory by law, so you can turn it off, of course, here. There we go. The AC can be turned on or off here by touching the button, and then here is where you can adjust the settings, so the air blower and the temperature. This car also has the heated seats, and we're not gonna be using those today, as it's not that warm for this part of the year, but it's not cold either, so 19 degrees outside. You see the physical buttons here. There are 2 stars, so you can adjust what you want them to be for. So for example, the left one currently we have for recuperation, you can have low or high. So now I'm not braking, but the car is recuperating the energy and slowing down. And the right one, currently we have it for the 360 camera, but you can turn it on when you have low speed. We will now let this biker go, and I will turn it on so that you can see. There we go. You also have different driving modes, so if we go here to vehicle and driving, you can put the car into sport mode. Throttle response. You can also choose here the recuperation, or actually regenerative braking, then power source, hybrid or electric, and ESC off. You can also turn it off here. So those are the driving settings. And now that we are stationary, let me show you the cluster views from close. And you also have the immersion mode. So then you don't have the things on your left and on your right. More like clean design in that point. By the way, the fog lights are here. So press this, and now we have the front one Now we have the rear one, but of course we're not gonna be using those today. And tonight we are taking a bit of a different route compared to the usual, because as you can see, construction works. And there are a lot of construction works these days in Zagreb. And this is my personal favorite view, so the map view in front of us, as well as here, or maybe like this, the main menu and the map view. You have also the home button, so with it you go back into this menu. And then the gear selector for the 2-speed automatic transmission is here. Feels very nice in hand. And also I love this central console, very well made with nice materials. Alright guys, so that was it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Do subscribe to the channel. Tell me in the comments how do you like the car, how do you like this drive, and stay tuned for more videos with the other cars and also with this car as well. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.